Solving systems by substitution. So here's a new method to solve systems. If you have something solved for a certain variable, or it's really easy to solve for a certain variable, then substitution might be the way to solve the system. Right now, we are solved for y right here. So we can take this entire thing that it's set equal to and just put it in for the y of the other equation. So what that's going to look like is 3x plus 2 times my y, which is actually just 2x minus 1, equals 26. Alright, so now I just solve for x. So I distribute in my 2, and I have 3x plus 4x minus 2 equals 26. Solving for x, I put my x's together and have 7x minus 2 equals 26. Add my 2 over. When I add 2, I get 28, so I have 7x equals 28. Divide by 7, so my x equals 4. Well, once I have x equals 4, I just take that and put it in for one of my original equations and solve, and I can find y. I know that y equals 2x minus 1, so if I put 4 in for x, y equals 2 times 4 minus 1. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1, so y equals 7. So I have x is 4 and y is 7, so my final answer is 4, 7. And there's your point. In this next example, we can see that it's not actually set equal to any variable, but it's really easy to get it set equal to y, the second equation. So if I divide by a negative 1, that's going to make it a positive y. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. So my new system of equations becomes 5x plus 6y equals negative 9, and the other one will become y equals a negative 2x plus 2. And now I can do my substitution because I have something set equal to y. All of this can go in for the y. So what I would have then would be a 5x plus 6 times my y, which is negative 2x plus 2, equals negative 9. Okay, now in the solving of this, distribute, I have 5x minus 12x when you distribute that, plus 12 when you distribute the 6 to the positive 2, equals negative 9. Now I'm just solving here, giving me a negative 7x plus 12 equals negative 9. Subtract the 12 over, and I have negative 7x equals negative 21. Divide by a negative 7. So x equals a positive 3. Okay, and now once I have one of them, I can just take that and plug it into one of my equations. So y equals negative 2x plus 2. Solve for y, I have my x. So y equals negative 2 times 3 plus 2. Negative 2 times 3 is actually a negative 6 plus 2. That's equal to my y. So y equals negative 4. So my answer is then 3, negative 4. And that's it for your notes over solving systems by substitution. Go through the practice problems. If you need to see the answer key, let me know. And then prepare for your quiz.